Hey guys, and welcome to my first video on Scratch. Now today we're going to start real simple, and we're going to start with making a simple character. And this character is basically just going to move around the screen, and eventually it's going to be a snake in a snake game. So first let's delete this guy. Okay, and I basically want to import a sprite. So I'm going to go new sprite. Wrong one. I want to draw my own sprite, you see. So then I go to this one here and draw my own sprite. And all I want is a little square. We'll make him, let's make it a blue square. A blue snake. Okay, just make it a nice little square. Oh wait, here's a little trick. If I hold shift, it makes it actually a square. So I hold shift, it makes it a proper square. Then I'm going to color it in blue. There we go. And then I need to center it. So basically what I need to do is click the middle of my square. And it'll basically make that to make sure it's centered. Okay, then we go back over to here. And we'll go back to our sprite scripts. Now we're going to make this guy so he moves, and this is basically an event. And we basically say when we start, click start. Everything is when we click start. Now I always have two, at least. The first one is basically the controller, where I put all my scripts, and the second one here is where I put all my controllers. And this is basically where I put anything like speeds and any of my variables initial setup. Okay, so I open up two. Okay, and let's give him some controls to start with. We're basically going to say forever. Forever, we go into our center. Oh no, I need a control tab. So basically we go if. Forever if. Now what I want to say is when I push an arrow key or a button, I want it to go in a certain direction. Okay, so I'm going to basically go to, when I click this one, I want it to face in a certain direction. So go to motion, point in direction. Okay, so when you click here, it goes left, right, forward, So I'm going to go, when I click the right arrow, I want it to face right. Duplicate this. When I click the left arrow, I want you to face left. Let's duplicate both of them. Up arrow. Guess where it's facing? Down arrow. And it's going to face down. Now this does nothing so far. Watch, if I push this and I push up, down, left, right, it just barely moves it. Okay, obviously it shows me it's off center, not off, it's off center, but it doesn't matter for now. Okay, stop that. So the problem is he's not moving right now. So let's do this. We basically need to set up a variable, and we want this variable to be speed. Okay, you click OK, and it creates this. Okay, and we're going to set speed to start with, and we're going to set speed to 1. Okay, now at the moment speed does nothing. Okay, it's not even in our code here. Okay, or movement. So basically we're going to go to motion, and we're going to say move something steps. Okay, forever, continuously. Okay, it's currently set to stat 10. So if I push play, it's going to move at 10 always while I move this guy around. That's handy. However, I want to make a game, so let's quickly just chuck our variable in there. We're going to move speed. Okay, and when we push play, oops, stop it, play it. Now he's going to move speed 1. If I change this to speed 3, okay, when I push play, it's going to go faster. Okay, you see my speed up here. Okay, and now we have a simple character that moves around on the screen. However, it is too big, so let's shrink him, and this will be the last thing of today. Okay, and we're actually going to go looks. Okay, I'm going to set my, where is it? Change costume. It is costume, but change size by. Okay, now this is a, I much prefer the percent. Sorry, I got the wrong one. Not change size, set size to, and that's percent. Okay, and I'm going to say I want it 20% of this size. Now as you go push play, it'll shrink. Okay, now I've got this character that moves around the screen. Okay, and that is how we create a character really quickly. I mean, it just moves on Scratch. All right.